our green companions. Nature's gifts in our everyday lives. Nature is all around us. Trees give us air to breathe. Rivers and rain give us water to drink. Open spaces give us places to relax and play. Nature is essential for our well-being and our planet's health. We depend on nature, and it's time we return the favor. Even small actions can make a big difference in protecting our environment. Nurturing life is a delicate balance. The art of mindful watering is essential for a thriving garden. Plants, like all living things, need water to survive and flourish. However, overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering, leading to root rot and other issues. The key is to water plants when they need it most, ensuring they receive the right amount. Early morning or late evening are the best times to water, as this minimizes evaporation and allows plants to absorb moisture efficiently. Always check the soil moisture before watering to avoid oversaturating the soil and give your plants a good soak rather than a quick sprinkle. This ensures water reaches the roots. This encourages deeper root growth, making plants more resilient to drought and other stresses, ultimately leading to a healthier garden. Responsible companionship is more than just love and affection. Caring for pets, caring for nature go hand in hand. Our pets bring us immense joy and companionship, but it's our responsibility to minimize their impact on the environment. This means being mindful of their activities and how they interact with nature. Always pick up after your pet and dispose of their waste responsibly. This simple act helps maintain the beauty and cleanliness of our shared spaces. Proper disposal prevents the spread of diseases and keeps our parks and neighborhoods clean and safe for everyone, including other pets and wildlife. Ensure your furry friends have access to fresh, clean water, especially during warmer months. Hydration is crucial for their health and well-being. And when choosing pet food, consider brands that prioritize sustainable practices and eco-friendly packaging. This small choice can make a big difference in reducing our environmental footprint. By making these conscious decisions, we contribute to a healthier planet and a better future for all living beings. Let's care for our pets and nature together. Green choices. Opting for eco-friendly products. Every purchase we make is a chance to vote for a greener future. Opt for products with minimal packaging and choose reusable alternatives whenever possible. Look for household cleaners and personal care products made with natural biodegradable ingredients. By making conscious choices, we can reduce our ecological footprint and support companies committed to sustainability. Harmony with wildlife, simple acts of coexistence. Wild animals share our environment, and it's crucial to coexist peacefully. Avoid feeding wildlife, as it can disrupt their natural foraging habits and create dependency. Provide water sources in your garden, such as a bird bath or a shallow dish, especially during dry periods. Create shelters for beneficial creatures like hedgehogs and bees by leaving areas of your garden wild or building insect hotels. Small steps, big impact. Our role in shaping a greener tomorrow. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to the larger goal of preserving our environment. Protecting nature doesn't require grand gestures. It starts with small, everyday actions. Simple habits like turning off the faucet while brushing your teeth or picking up litter during a walk can make a significant difference. By being mindful of our water usage, such as using low-flow shower heads and watering plants with a can instead of a hose, we conserve precious resources. Making responsible choices for our pets, opting for eco-friendly products, and recycling pet food containers can reduce our ecological footprint. And coexisting peacefully with wildlife by setting up bird feeders and observing animals from a distance helps maintain the natural balance. We contribute to a healthier planet for all by enjoying and respecting nature. Families can bond over picnics in clean parks, and children can learn the value of nature through play. Remember, even the smallest act of kindness towards nature creates a ripple effect. Planting a tree or watering a garden can inspire others to take similar actions. Let's all do our part to ensure a greener and brighter tomorrow. Community efforts like clean-up events and tree planting drives show that together we can make a substantial impact. Dear viewers, Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to CoCo Kids and Tales for more inspirational content. Together, we can make the world a better place. Remember, every small action counts, and your efforts can inspire others to join in our mission for a greener and brighter tomorrow. Share this video with friends and family, and let's spread the message of hope and responsibility. By working together, we can create a lasting impact and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. Let's embark on this journey hand in hand, making mindful choices and celebrating the beauty of our planet. Thank you for being part of this community, and let's continue to make a difference one step at a time.